Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Uba Albert Pede local guide uba nama lakiat. Berbedairu usaki uba Ïohi bananol uraja bat kesonam raguvan shiru. Kidan salangut kue pat kishin rang bayat lang. Ulapan pau ke jus Kmen ba Ïohi ke kubor bagi pulit kelayo kem yeke teki langut bat bakasonam ru kelawan pendam. Uba Albert uloong baka jing Kmen cumu gede na marba ki jing Shah baro kila pau bat bakat han kalalat na jing Shah pin bot nam sneu.
Kajing snow tu kas Kmen ni namar ba mentang la ayu mo bola pau kajing Shah bang long bangi I than sora sane be kem ba kamle ka basneu mo bang Kmen na du nungkong rong Kmen ya katai bakan pau kajing Shah namar ni la jak burom kat tu la syak keren bain sa kumni mtai syak kan tho nungkong ting susi kan menta ting la sok Kmen yo mo bang la lap ya kajing Shah kan.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.